Anytime that you use photos that are already existing, you really want to use the highest resolution possible, just because it's always easier to take pixels out than it is to put them back in. So if you have a larger file size to begin with, you'll have more detail there and it'll be easier to work with. And you can always shrink it down as you go. There are a couple different things that you can do to get photos off of the internet. One is by visiting a site like unsplash.com, and you can create a search. For instance, in this assignment, I'm looking for things that I like to do. So I might say mountain biking. And things that'll pop up, you've got a couple of different boxes here. First of all, iStock by Getty Images. You'll notice it says save 20% with code unsplash20. Okay, that is an advertisement. Don't go to iStock Images. Instead, go to the results for mountain biking on Unsplash or whatever it is that you chose, right? I like this one. I think this could have potential right here. So I'm going to just hover over the bottom right-hand corner of that photo and download it. It's going to download it high resolution. Okay, but say you're looking for something like a band that you like to listen to or um, something like that. What you're going to want to do instead is go to the old interwebs, like say I'm looking for Led Zeppelin, and I'll do a search. And what'll pop up is all sorts of information about them. I want to choose images because I just want the photos that have to do with that band. Now, if you click on one of the photos, for instance, you don't know exactly what resolution it is until you hover over that. And it says 1400 by 1600. That's high resolution. That's great. Not all of the images are going to be like that. You want to stay, upwards of 1,000. So like 500 by 683, it's going to probably end up being a little bit pixelated. So you can just kind of randomly scroll through and find images and then, hope that they're big. Or with Google Images, there is this tool, and when you click on tools, you can decide what size it searches for. So by default, it's any size. Click on large, and now you're going to have much better, higher resolution photos show up. So if I click on that, now it's 1296 by 730. That's good enough for this particular assignment. So again, use high resolution photos. Really important that you start out with a good photo so that you can always scale it back from that point.